So here I've decided to create a shift knob for my car. It's a stick shift. So it just crossed my mind that it would be nice to create one. So I picked up one of the manzanita roots that I have and started carving it. Power carving it. I mean, the wood is so dense. I mean, here probably you can see a few times it just slipped. I mean, just it gets stuck in the wood. It's that hard. But yeah, so right now I'm just doing the rough part. I'm just carving the general outlines. So after that, I'm gonna be pretty much start. I'll be starting doing the kind of details. It takes me wherever it takes me. I don't decide how it's going to look, and it just decides itself how it wants to look, and I go with it. Yeah, as I already mentioned, this is going to end up being a shift knob, for the gear stick shifter for my vehicle. Although at this stage I am realizing that I might not have enough wood to drill a hole. I mean, and then I realized there's a lot of cracks, but uh, but that's good. I like those imperfections. I always utilize them. That makes it more natural, more compelling. Yeah, the wood is like really tough, manzanita, but I love it. You can create lots of details with it. Yeah, as you can see, lots of cracks and natural lines, and it's good. I like it. Yeah, I think here is where I had the idea to fill those cracks with some type of inlay, preferably stone, uh, you know, like turquoise or something. I'll see. Yeah, let's listen to the wind chimes. Hey, hey, yup, yup, good boy. Okay, back to work, I guess. Enough of the wind chimes. So here I'm almost done. Um, I always have problems when it comes to carving the nose. When I started, I didn't even think about it. I just did it, and I mean, it came out so well. Then I started, looking into it, trying to improve, and now, I kind of got me in a corner. So I lost my confidence on the way I used to carve the nose. Because, I tried different ways, and that didn't work out. Um, I mean, now I'm kind of getting back to the groove, on how to create the nose, but I always have issues, especially the nostrils. Yeah, sometimes I carve them too deep, sometimes carve them too narrow. Um, yeah, like that. See, I'm trying to get right in there, and sometimes when I do that, I carve from the flares of the nose. Yeah, and then I have to adjust the other side to that one. But anyways, yeah, it's all right. I'm enjoying it. Pretty much that's how I learn. I've noticed if I worry too much and that I'm gonna make mistake, then I'm not enjoying it. The whole thing is about enjoyment, just doing it. I know it's difficult when you see everything is coming together okay, and there is always that possibility that I'm going to mess up the whole thing. Yeah, I mean after all it's wood. What you take off, you cannot put back. So yeah, I mean it makes me kind of nervous when it's almost done. But I don't know. It's all right. I'm not complaining. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, it's almost done. So pretty much, I'm gonna refine it, clean it up. I'm going to fill those cracks with the inlay, and hopefully it'll come out fine. I mean, I like the results so far. I'll say right there is a little bit, kind of a rough. But if I touch it, it's going to go into his face. Uh, I'll come up with some solution. And I'll make it a little groove there, maybe, so it's comfortable. Yeah. In the next section, it's already done. I put the inlay here, so I'm just kind of polishing it a little bit, finalizing it. I also, drill the hole at the bottom. Uh, Hopefully, it'll look nice once I install it. I'll make sure I take a picture of it and share it with you how it looks. I even did the the indications of the gears, like first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth, and reverse. I don't know if I should put numbers there, probably not. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. So yeah, thanks again.